Ready to play your first guitar solo but don't know where to start? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many aspiring guitarists feel intimidated by the idea of improvisation. But what if I told you there's a simple, foolproof method that will have you soloing in minutes? Stick with me, because I'm about to show you a super simple technique using just one string. Let's make it happen. The secret to getting started with solos is to simplify. Forget about complicated scales, music theory, and memorizing dozens of fretboard patterns for now. The easiest way to start soloing is by using just one string. This approach is brilliant because it removes the confusion of navigating complex scale patterns across multiple strings. Instead, it allows you to concentrate entirely on what truly matters in a good solo: timing, feel, and creating a musical phrase. We're going to use the thinnest string on your guitar, the high E string. Its bright, clear tone is perfect for cutting through the music, ensuring every note you play is heard. This single string will be our creative playground. Now you might think you need a whole arsenal of notes to sound good, but that's a common misconception. In reality, some of the most iconic solos in history are built around just a few well-chosen notes. For our first solo, we'll use just 3. Let's find the 5th, 7th, and 8th frets on that high E string. These 3 notes are part of the A minor pentatonic scale, a cornerstone of blues and rock music, and they create a simple, classic bluesy sound that works over countless songs. Before we do anything else, let's get comfortable with them. Take a moment to practice playing them one by one. Press down on the 5th fret, then the 7th, then the 8th. Then try going back down, 8, 7, 5. Get a feel for the spacing between the frets and the sound of each note. This simple 3-note palette is all you need. Here's the most important lesson you'll learn today. A great solo is not about playing fast, it's about playing with rhythm. The notes are just the ingredients. Your rhythm is the recipe that makes them delicious. Let's try playing our 3 notes over a simple backing track or even just a metronome. Don't just play them in a sequence. Experiment. Let some notes ring out for a long time, creating a sense of space and emotion. Play other notes as short, sharp stabs to add energy and excitement. Mix it up. By varying the timing, you can make these 3 notes sound endlessly interesting and expressive. This is where you stop just playing notes and start making music. Okay, it's time to put it all together. Now let's play a real solo. In a moment, I'll play a simple blues backing track in the key of A minor. Your goal is to use only those 3 notes we practiced, the 5th, 7th, and 8th frets on the high E string, and create your own melodies over the music. Don't overthink it. There are no wrong answers here. Close your eyes if it helps, and just listen to the groove of the backing track. Respond to what you hear. Try to make your guitar talk and have a conversation with the music. Let your creativity flow and see what happens. See? You just played a guitar solo. It's that simple to start. You took a few notes, added some rhythm, and created something uniquely yours. That feeling is what playing guitar is all about. This is just the beginning of your journey into improvisation. Keep practicing with different one-string note combinations and explore your creativity. Find a new set of 3 notes on another string and see what kind of mood they create. The fretboard is your canvas. You've got this.